So if you watched my previous video, you'll be familiar with this page here. So this is called Sandbox. So you can basically code your project here on the Sandbox. So it's like a cloud development environment. So I prefer using it than running React locally on my machine. So let's get started with creating the project. So obviously we are going to be creating a new sandbox, and then we want to create a React sandbox. You can see that it supports many frameworks and libraries here. So just creating the React sandbox one, and then so this is the first initial thing that you will see after initializing that sandbox. So here you actually have to open another page. You actually have to open this link on another page. You can just click on that, wait for this to load, and then the connection is secure, and then it should show that yes, that's here. So now you can go back to your page where you're coding, refresh that, then refresh that page again. Then here that issue is fixed now. So every time when you see that's happening, you just open this link on a new tab, and then it will verify the security, and then it will allow you to continue. Okay, now let's look at our folder structure here. So we have source, and then we have app.js, where most of our code will be going into, and then index.js, which connects us to the public folder in the index.html. And then we have our CSS here, and then we have our packages .json here. So yeah, I'm not going to be talking about those. So if you want to learn more about those, I'll just try to find a video and put a link in the description so that you can learn on what is happening, or the folder structure here, if you want to understand it better. So our app is very basic. So what we will be needing is actually one component, right? It's just one component. So we can just create a new folder and call it components. This is the normal way of doing things, just to structure your project. Inside here, we are going to have a to-do.js component, right? So this component will be our to-do. That card you see is going to be this component, so that we can reuse it again and again in our app.js. Okay,